In today's complex and fast-paced world, managing your finances can be an overwhelmingly daunting task. The constant allure of spending on things we desire rather than those we genuinely need can create an enduring struggle, leading many to find themselves living paycheck to paycheck. Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel. In this comprehensive video, we will explore practical money-saving tips that you need to start implementing now to secure your financial well-being. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. These tips encompass various aspects of personal finance, designed to provide a holistic approach to money management. Create a comprehensive budget. The first crucial step toward financial stability is crafting a detailed budget. It's your financial roadmap, revealing your income sources and expenses. By meticulously tracking all income and spending, you gain insights to shape your financial strategy. A budget shows where you can save and where to invest, laying the foundation for financial success. Prune unnecessary expenses. Now that you've established a comprehensive budget, the next step is to scrutinize your expenses and identify areas where you can trim the fat. This may involve cutting out unnecessary or redundant expenses, such as unused subscriptions, memberships, or services. Moreover, it can extend to economizing your daily spending habits, like choosing to cook at home rather than dining out, or opting for generic or store-brand products over name brands. Building a robust emergency fund. Life is inherently unpredictable, and it's wise to be prepared for the unexpected. This preparation takes the form of an emergency fund, a financial safety net to cushion you when unforeseen events, such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss, occur. The recommended goal is to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account, such as a high-yield savings account. This fund provides peace of mind, preventing unexpected expenses from derailing your financial stability. Automate your savings. One of the most effective ways to ensure consistent and disciplined saving is by automating the process. This entails setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. By automating contributions to retirement accounts, savings accounts, or even debt repayment, you are effectively paying yourself first. It ensures that a portion of your income is consistently saved before you have a chance to spend it on discretionary items. Shop wisely and economically. Before making any purchase, whether it's a daily necessity or a discretionary indulgence, it's crucial to do your due diligence. This means researching your options, looking for discounts, coupons, and cashback offers. It also involves considering more economical alternatives, such as buying generic or store-brand products rather than their more expensive counterparts. Furthermore, it's essential to avoid impulse buying and adhere to your shopping list. Taking these steps can help you save significantly on your daily and monthly expenses. Focus on reducing high-interest debt. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can burden your finances. Your top priority should be to pay it off quickly. These debts grow over time, so swift repayment is crucial. Once you've cleared a debt, use the money for savings or investments. This approach accelerates your path to financial goals. Negotiate your bills effectively. Many recurring bills, such as cable, internet, or insurance, are negotiable. Unfortunately, many people fail to realize that they have the power to negotiate these expenses. Call your service providers, inquire about available discounts, and don't hesitate to leverage competitor offers to secure better deals. Loyalty doesn't always pay off in these cases, so be prepared to switch providers if necessary. Effective negotiation can lead to substantial savings on your monthly bills. Increase your earning potential. Frugality and cost control are essential for financial success, but boosting your income is equally significant. Explore opportunities like part-time jobs, freelancing, or career advancement to increase your earnings. The more you make, the more you can save and invest, fast-tracking your financial security. Prudent management of windfalls. Unexpected windfalls, such as tax refunds, work bonuses, or generous gifts, can provide a significant financial boost. However, it's essential to handle these windfalls wisely rather than squandering them. Instead of indulging in impulsive spending, consider allocating a portion of these unexpected financial gains to your savings or investment accounts. This approach not only safeguards your windfall, but also expedites your progress toward achieving your financial goals. So this was today's video. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.